All right, let's get the bags on. Today we got an awesome one. Super easy can light retrofit lights. Let's get these lights installed. So these are the can light retrofits we're gonna put in. These are the Lumary Smart Disc Light Pros. Colorful, you can put them in for parties. I already got one installed. My daughter's actually having a party today for her birthday. Putting these lights in, we're gonna turn everything pink. Party mode on here, I'll show you guys all the settings here in a minute. Some of the fastest and easiest retrofits I've ever seen. Comes with 4 lights. One thing to note here is this will work with existing can lights that are like that have an actual can housing up in there. And it will also work for a light fixture on the ceiling. If you're installing lights where there's an existing light fixture, you're gonna take that down. There's gonna be a junction box behind the light fixture, and you just use this plate, it goes up, and then the actual fixture itself just twists on there and lands right on the ceiling. So for the can lights that we have, we're gonna need to use this setup right here. We need this quick connect right here. Comes in the package. All we're gonna do here is we're literally gonna take these wire nuts. The setup that I have, I literally don't need any tools. So we're gonna take the neutral and the neutral, make sure they're lined up nice and neat. Put a wire nut on them right here. I like to get it to where the wire twists just a little bit behind so I know I have a good connection. Then we go right here, just like this. Twist that on there. Got that one done. It's ready to go. And then we take our side clips, goes right in this hole right here, slides through, locks in place. Do the other side, right here, slides through, locks in place. Let's get over here real quick. There we go. So we literally come up here, I'm gonna just pop this out. Just like that. Probably should turn the power off. As you can see, these fixtures have the quick connect, right? So you literally just unclip it, clip the new one in, just like this. And there you go, it's on. So we wanna take this, fold it up in there, just like this. And then you're gonna see it has these little clips right here and right here. One clip's right there, one clip's right there. And then you do the other side, there, just like that. And then we wanna just tuck the wires nice and neat, right up there like that. Get that up. And then what I do is put a little pressure, just kind of bounce it. And those clips will open up more. So it stays nice and tight, just like that. You can change the color on this so you can see that's a real cool white, almost like got a little blue hue to it. But we can change it from all the way down, I think 2700 Kelvin up to 6000 Kelvin. So let's go ahead and pop all these in real fast, and then I'll show you what we can do in the app. Just like that. Pop our last one in, the new one on. Go. One thing I wanted to show you is that some of you, when you open this up, you might have an actual socket in there with a bulb. What you want to do there is the socket, you just pull the socket out, make sure the power is off, go turn the breaker off. You want to cut the black and the white wire off the socket, and then you're just going to wire this straight in, black and white, to there. Make sure we don't pinch any wires as we go up. Little tap. There's a seal on it right there. Makes it rated for a shower light. There you go. And let's see how it looks. There we go. Just like that. You got 4 lights in about 20 minutes. Literally, I know I sped up some of the video, but it literally took me about 20 minutes to pull them down, put wire nuts on them, put the clips on, and put it back up into place. So let's go through the app real quick and see what type of controls we have here. So I already have 3 of them added in here, so I'm gonna add one more. So just come in here and add device. It's discovered it already, just add it in there. Select the Wi-Fi you want to use. It's communicating with that one right there. There it is, it's done. So now I want to get all 4 of these lights communicating together. So you just click on one of them right here, go up in the upper corner to the edit, create group, and then I want to add all 4 of these into a group. So you can see they're all added. Save. I'm gonna label this living room. Living room, finish. There we go. Now watch this. Turn them off, turn them on, auxiliary light on, party mode. Look at that. Can turn the brightness up and down. Extremely responsive to the controls. Rhythm, if you want to go to music, you can go streamer. That's a pretty cool option. So the main light does not change actual colors, it just changes temperature. So I can change right here, the brightness of them, they go super bright. And then if I want it like a cool white, I go all the way over here. Or if I want a warm white, I can go all the way down to the bottom corner and make it really orange. You can set it to like a night mode where it's super dim, back to party mode. The other thing you can do is you can set a timer on here. So if you want them to go off after a certain period of time, or you want them on every night at a certain time, just set a timer in here and you're good to go. Main light on, main light off, auxiliary light on, auxiliary light off. You can set your days in here. One other thing I saw in here that's really awesome is if you go to the smart section of the app, it actually tells you your kilowatt hours that you're using. My house, I have the outdoor lights, I have the permanent outdoor lights, the ones up on the house for like Christmas lights, and then these, but this will tell you your usage in actual kilowatt hours and the costs if you set up in here your time of use rates. Here in San Diego, we have time of use for our electricity bill. You can actually see what all of these devices are drawing, so it's amazing. One thing to keep in mind is that if you don't want to have to use the app for the control, you can purchase the Lumary Smart Light Switch. I put the link down in the description for it. And you can change out a normal household switch and you can put in the smart switch and you have all the controls that you need right on here. The app is gonna have more controls than this light switch will, but if you don't wanna have to go into your phone and go into the app every time you wanna change a setting, you can purchase this and get it installed in the wall. So to get this thing installed, if you buy this, they give us a super nice cover plate. Love it. The switch is super easy. You just have ground, neutral, power in, and then your switch leg going up to the can lights. So very simple, nothing crazy. They send the wire nuts and the screws that you need right here. And it even gives you a nice label here. White is for your neutral, black is for the line. Red here, they must have ran out of red wire, so they got brown here, but that's gonna be your switch leg going up to the light, and then your green for your neutral. Well, that's it for this one. If you'd like to pick up the Lumary Smart Disc Pros, I put a link down in the description. And as always, if you need a good electrician in the San Diego, California area, feel free to reach out. We'll see you on the next one.